Hi, my name is Martin and welcome. Today I will be showcasing a website I have developed for my assignment CO551 Open Source Systems. This website includes essential features such as user authentication, module management, and student administration. Let's begin with the login page. In order to access this website, user must enter correct student ID and password. If any fields are left empty, a validation prompt will appear reminding the user to fill in the necessary information. So if I leave it blank, this validation will pop up saying please fill in all the fields. The system checks the database for student ID, which is the primary key. If the ID doesn't exist, an error message will be displayed saying the user doesn't exist. So as you can see up here, user doesn't exist. Similarly with the password, if the user types in the correct student ID but incorrect password, the user will see error message saying incorrect password. Login and incorrect password. I will now type in the password and we will log in. After successfully logging in, the user is directed to very basic index page. This page contains filler content just for this assignment, and it also includes a site navigation bar, which has all the links to different sections of this website. If I click on My Modules, at the moment, this student doesn't have any modules assigned to them. So let me assign some modules to the student. On the Assigns Modules page, users can assign modules to themselves. When a module is assigned, the information is sent to the database, updating the user's module list. So I will now assign all three modules to the student. Now I'm going to go to My Modules page, and this page displays the current modules that the student is enrolled in. This information is presented in a neatly organized table format, making it easy for users to review their modules. Up next, we have My Details page. This page allows users to edit their personal details. The current details are fetched from database and displayed in a form field. After making changes, the updated information is sent back to database to ensure all the data is up to date. I will now demonstrate how this works. I will change the address of this student. After I hit save, I can see a message popping up saying the details have been updated. I will now go to my database, refresh it, and as you can see down here, the details were indeed updated. Next, we have the students page. The student page displays a list of all students, including their profile picture. Each student entry has a delete option. Before a student is deleted, a confirmation prompt ensures that the user wants to proceed with the deletion. This prevents accidental data loss. So I will now delete few students just to demonstrate how this works. Scroll down, delete, and up here we have the prompt. Are you sure you want to delete the students? Yes, I am. After I've deleted the students, a message will pop up here in a red writing saying the students with the certain ID have been successfully deleted. I will check the database now and let's see. And as you can see, all the students that are selected have been successfully deleted. And finally, we have Add a Students page. On this page, the user can add a new student to the system. This page includes various validations. The student ID field only accepts numbers, the name field only accepts letters, and the date of birth field requires correct date of birth, like the correct year. Lastly, when uploading an image, only JPEG and PNG formats are allowed. These validations help maintain data integrity and accuracy. I will now fill in the form incorrectly so you can have better understanding of what I'm talking about. If I click submit, as you can see the validation popping up in here saying that only numbers are accepted and letters are accepted here, and also the date needs to be valid. I will now fill the form correctly. Before I submit the form, let me showcase the validation for the upload file. So at the moment, it accepts only JPEG files and PNG files. So I will change my code so I can show you that it won't accept JPEG now since I've deleted the option for JPEG. This is a JPEG file, and if I click submit, an error message will pop up saying that only certain file types are accepted. I will now change it back as I think this administration page will work better if JPEG and PNG files are accepted. And click submit. Well, type in the password, click submit, and the student have been added to the system. And as you can see, George Williams have been added. Since I've deleted a few students from this page, let me see them back. And as you can see, the students I have deleted previously were now added back into the database. Also, student 3105 have not been seeded because the student is already there. There's a duplicate entry for the primary key, which is the student ID. If I go back to my students page, you can see all the students which I've deleted are now back. And lastly, if I click on logout, the session will end and you are logged out and you are taken back to login page. Thank you for watching.